In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WIP limits in Jira. If you're managing a team using Scrum, you know how important work in progress limits can be in maintaining a smooth workflow. By setting these limits, you help prevent overload, allowing the team to focus on finishing tasks before picking up new ones. Let's jump right in and explore how to do this on your team managed Scrum board. First, you'll want to navigate over to your team managed Scrum board. This is your hub where all the magic happens. It's important to have it open for you to configure the settings needed. Once you're there, the next move is getting to your active sprints board. This board is where you visualize and track the progress of tasks in real time. It's critical to manage this area effectively to ensure that your workflow remains balanced and efficient. Now observe the column names presented on the board. You'll see them lined up, each representing a stage in your workflow. Somewhere to the right of these column names, you'll find a series of 3 dots. This is your gateway to further customization options. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Set Column Limit. This is where we specify exactly how much work we want to allow per column, effectively imposing a cap on tasks to prevent overload. When you select Set Column Limit, a prompt will appear where you can input a specific number. This number represents your team's maximum capacity for tasks in that particular column. Selecting an appropriate number requires consideration of your team's workload, efficiency, and any potential bottlenecks that might occur. Don't rush this step. Carefully think about your team's capabilities and challenges, as the efficiency of your workflow largely depends on setting the right limit. After entering the number that best suits your team's workflow capacity, go ahead and click on Save. This finalizes your configuration and applies the work in progress limits to your board. It's a simple yet effective step that ensures these preferences are stored and implemented going forward. By setting WIP limits, you're not only managing the flow of tasks, but also fostering a healthier and more focused work environment. Teams often discover that with the right limits in place, work progresses more smoothly, with better results and less stress. And there you have it. Setting up work in progress limits in Jira is as straightforward as that. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Implementing these limits will likely contribute to a more efficient and streamlined workflow for your team. Thanks for tuning in and happy project managing.